So you're looking for the best streaming applications, the best movie applications, sports, live TV, pay-per-view. What's the best and safest way to install them as of January 2026? Well, there's actually a single downloader code, a secret master code, which will give you access to an entire library of applications that you can go ahead and install just with one click. So to start the process, you'll need to have the downloader application on your device. So head over to the search. Let's click on that and just type in the word downloader. Let's type that in. Here we are. Install this onto your device. Now, before you open it, you do have to give this the correct permissions so you can now download applications through this application and then install them on your device. The way to do that, just press the home button, go to the settings, go to MiFi TV and click on developer options. Now, if you don't see this on your device, just click on about, click there now. And where you see the device type, I'm doing this on my 3rd generation Fire TV Cube. Just press the select button here 7 times. And after that, you'll see the message at the bottom saying you are now a developer. Once you see that, press the back button and you can now access this. Now, if you're watching this video and you have a Firestick 4K Select, then unfortunately your device doesn't run Android and this process is not going to work on that device. So my best advice to you is give that device back to Amazon, throw it back in their face and say, give me an Android based device. So all the other devices from Amazon, Fire TV Stick, Fire Stick Max, Fire TV Cube, Fire Stick Max 2nd generation, all of them run Android and you can follow this process on those devices. So once you confirm that, go to the developer options, click on install unknown apps. Let's click there now. And you should now see downloader in the list. Find that there and just turn the option to on. And this just once again means that you can now download applications and install it through downloader. Once you've confirmed that, let's now press the home key, scroll down, and let's now open up downloader for the first time. Now, if you do see some prompts asking you to accept permissions, click on yes and grant those permissions. And the master code for this massive library or this massive repository of all applications is just 72609. Let's type that in and I will show you how you can add this into your favorites so you won't need to type it in again. Let's now click on go. And this will now make a connection directly to that master store. Now, if for whatever reason you get any messages like your page cannot connect, DNS name not found, or there's any kind of blocking message, that means your internet service provider is now blocking your request to this page. The easy way to fix that is just to activate your VPN. And once you do that, your ISP will now no longer be able to track or monitor what you're doing. If you want the same VPN I'm using, just scan that QR code or leave me a comment below and I'll send you my special discount code. Now, when you're on this page, let's now make this a favorite. Let's go to the top. Click on the hamburger menu, which is the one on the top right. Let's click there and click on the option add current page to favorite. So let's do that now. We can leave the name as default. Click on save. That's now done. And what that basically means is I can now exit out of downloader. Let's back out of that. That's now closed down. So the next time I want to access this repository, this large library of best streaming applications, I can now just open up downloader. And this time, without typing anything in, I can go to the left, click on favorites, and I can now see the shortcut there. So let's click on that now. And all thanks to Joe Maxwell, who actually created this page. So, and what you have now is almost like a big shopping mall or a massive superstore, which then has the best stores inside that. So we can see lots of different options in here. You've got some very famous ones like Kevin Porteous' one, which is KP Fire. You've got lots of different ones in here. You got some from Free Tag. This is actually not mine, even though it has my name. It takes you to Doc Squiffy's 5-cent page. So if you want to use that, you can also use that. But for this demonstration, let me show you the first one, which is ADmatic. Let's click on that. Now this really is just a super large library of all applications. You can see you can either type something in or you can scroll down. You can see some very popular searches here. Let's try this one over here. And this will then give you direct downloader codes you can use to download lots of different versions of this application. But you can see all of your favorite applications are in here. Let's go back. The other very popular one is the KP Fire one. Let's scroll down and you can see all of his stuff is properly categorized. You can see at the top here, You've got APK stores, all your popular stores, then you've got popular media players. Now, for obvious reasons, I'm not going to scroll down the entire list, but just trust me when I say that all of the best streaming applications for January 2026, all of the latest updates are available. Just scroll down, find the category you're looking for. I'm looking for movies, looking for TV shows, sports content, pay-per-view content, whatever you're looking for. Scroll down, you can find it in the list, and with one click, you can then go ahead and install it. But for this demonstration, just to show you that everything is working, let's try to install one of these players. Let's try this HB player. Let's click on that. Give that a second. You can see, guys, no pop-ups, no login, no registration, just one click, and you can now install any of these applications from any of these stores. Give that a second. That installs okay. I can click on open. Just to show you that it's working absolutely fine. I'm now inside that player. That's working great. Let's back out of that. And we're back to the main list. So really, you can browse through all of these repositories, find what you're looking for, one click, and you can go ahead and install it on your device. The only thing that I would definitely say that, especially for this kind of content, it really is essential for you to use a VPN, because when you activate your VPN, your internet service provider can now no longer monitor what you're doing on your device. So whether you're downloading something or streaming something, all of that traffic becomes instantly encrypted. And it really is just the best way to stay safe online. And in the year 2026, everybody should be using a VPN when doing anything online. I personally recommend IPVanish. I've tried others. I've tried Express. I've tried Nord. I've tried Surfshark. They all have different features, but overall, I always come back to IPVanish just for that consistent speed. The fact that they give you unlimited connections, unlimited devices. So it doesn't matter if I've got 3 Firesticks, 2 Android TVs, 5 laptops, 10 phones, all of those devices are automatically covered with a single account. You can then go ahead and change your IP address. You can access geolocked content and really just unlock a world of entertainment on all of your devices. Using my link does help support the channel. So many thanks for doing that. Do leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about this superstore, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.